Kallesoe Machinery is a world-class company. In the last 50 years, Kallesoe Machinery has delivered about 500 presses and special machines to destinations across the world. Kallesoe Machinery has expanded 14 times and has almost 100 employees today, some of whom have been working here for more than 30 years. Today, Kallesoe is known for innovative machines with great flexibility, high performance, and low costs. Kallesoe Machinery makes the world's most effective and economic high-frequency presses and can be found in production companies throughout the world. Kallesoe Machinery stands ready to deliver high-quality machines that maximize use of the wood, thereby supporting initiatives to create more sustainable building materials in the future with innovative technology. Even though the technology has progressed tremendously over the past 50 years, Kallesoe Machinery maintains the same innovative mindset and quality of craftsmanship that Herloff founded in 1969. Technology develops all the time. The values are still the same. Kallesoe Machinery is equipped for the future, and the next generation is lined up to take over.